this beautiful tune of Airtel. Starts off at 8 on the second string and goes. So you play that 4 times, but play first, hold it, and then 3 together. Then 10 on the first string. Then on the second string, 10, 11, 10, 8. Then 10 on the third string, and then 10 on the second string. But you use the same finger and kind of roll it down. It's a lot easier this way. So first line is. And then the second line is. So that is 8 on the second string. Then again 10 and 8. Then 10 on the third string. Then second string 8, 10, 11. So far. So that is 10, 8 on the second string, then 10 on the third string, and 7 on the third string. So let's look at it again. First line. So that's the main lead portion. And right after that, we have. That's played as 15 on the first string. Then, like before, you roll your finger up to 15 on the second. So. Then 13 on the first string. Then 15 on the second string again. So remember this as 2 notes at a time. So then on the second string, 15 and 13. Then 15 and 12 on the third string. So then again 12 and 15 on the third string. Then on the second string, 13, 15, and 13 again. And then you hold it here. So then right before you start the main lead again, there's a very quick 11 and 10. Now, if you're just playing on one guitar, whatever you learned till now, that's the whole tune. But if you're playing 2 guitars, or you want to learn the harmony that goes with the main tune, that is played as. So that is 8 on the 4th string. Again, 4 times. And first of all, note that I'm using a 7-string guitar, but you don't need it. It's just, I just have this guitar, so just ignore the bottom string. This is not the 6th string, this is the 7th string. So listen to what I'm saying and just play along. So 8 on the 4th string, then 10 on the 3rd string, then on the 4th string, 10, 12, 10, 8, then 12 on the 5th string, and 10 on the 4th string again. Then that is 8, 10, 8 again on the 4th string. Then 12 on the 5th string. Then on the 4th string, 8, 10, 12. Then that is 10 on the 4th string, 8 on the 4th string. Then on the 5th string, 12 and 10. So together, slowly. make sure you play this in a very slow tempo and speed it up. If you try to play it fast, then you might mess up in the middle and your muscle memory is just going to be messed up. And this concludes the lesson to the Airtel tune. I hope you learned enjoying it. And if you liked it, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep rocking.